Hi, in this video, I will show you how to purchase a dropshipping order. You have two ways of purchasing a dropshipping order. One is when the order is forwarded through the BrandsGateway plugin, and the other way is when the order is placed manually. When the order is forwarded through the BrandsGateway plugin, you will find the order here, orders, and it will have the status incomplete. What you need to do is click on Edit Order, see the shipping details, and then after you confirm the shipping details, you select the shipping method and saving the changes. After the changes are saved, you need to pay for the order. Click on Pay. You can use your wallet, PayPal. There are additional fees when using PayPal. You can use a bank transfer or you can use debit and credit cards. First, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. For example, if you choose a bank transfer, you click on Pay for the order and it provides you all the details that you would need to send your payment through. These are our bank details. The order status will change to on hold until a payment is received. Please note that if you choose PayPal, wallet, credit debit card, the payment is received faster within the 24 to 48 hours and the order processing is faster. If the payment method is bank transfer, then it might take up to 5 business days for the payment to be received by BrandsGateway so that we can process the order. Let's move on to the second way of purchasing a dropshipping order. We're going to the catalog. This is the manual way. You have two. You can search the item, for example, let's say t-shirt. Then you find the t-shirt, add to cart, choose the size that you want, then add to cart. At the end, you click checkout. You add your billing details, shipping details, and move on with proceeding, choosing the shipping methods and the payment methods. At the end, you just place the order, and of course, the order will have the status that you would like. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact our support team at support@brandsgateway.com. Thank you for watching.